Hey, how's it going? I want to talk about troubleshooting these trailer lights. So the other day when I was going to take off, I hooked my trailer up to the truck, and before I take off, I always I've checked my lights, but my hazards weren't working, my left signal, my right signal wasn't working, and the brake wasn't working. So I didn't have time to troubleshoot because I had to take off. So I went to Lowe's real quick and bought a magnetic towing light kit from Hopkins. It worked great. It was awesome. It was a real quick fix because I didn't have time to troubleshoot. So I'm back, and I was troubleshooting the trailer. And before you spend money on rewiring a trailer, you just need to check. You need to check these things out first of a trailer. Okay, so first I checked the fuses of the truck. The fuses were good. Then I checked the grounding wire of the trailer. You know, that's hooked up to the 4-pin hitch. The 4-pin connector for the trailer, that was good. I cleaned it off, took any rust off, cleaned it, put it back on, still wasn't working. I got the 4-pin connector of the trailer and the 4-pin hitch mount. I brushed that off real good with the wire brush. Cleaned it, put it back on, still wasn't working. My lights, they still weren't flashing. So next I went underneath the trailer, looked for any wires that were cut, crimped or like who knows what could happen. But all the wires looked good. I checked the bulbs of the trailer. All the bulbs look good. I even cleaned out the connectors of the mounts. The lights still weren't working. So these little wire clamps right here, as you can see, they're right here at the bottom of the trailer. That little wire clamp, I took that off, dust came out, and so, well, maybe it was just dirty in there. So I got the two wires and I put them together, and the light started working. So, cause these clamps, they connect the wires and they make them work. It's a wire clamp connector. Basically, that's what it does. It connects the wires and they make them work. So found out that was working, you know what I mean? So I went ahead, I went to my nearest hardware store and bought these little heat seal terminal wire connectors. Okay, I heard they work real good. They're only $5, y'all. I'll put those on right here. You just hook up your wires. So they're right there. I hooked up my yellow and my black right there. I did to the other side, and now my lights work. All right, so before you going out spending money on like a whole new wiring kit, check all those things first. Check the fuse, make sure the fuse is good. Clean off for grounding. Clean off for the trailer hitch mount, your 4-pin connector, from the trailer. Clean your bulbs, the mounts. Clean those. Check the wiring, and also just check your these wire clamps. All right, take them off. All right, and connect your wires without the clamps and see if it works. If it works, then that's your problem right there. So spent $5 on a pack of 7 to fix a problem. I hope this video was very helpful and saved you money. If you haven't subscribed to my video, please subscribe. There's more videos to follow. Also, if you like this video, if you found it very helpful, please hit like. Thank you. Bye.